I feel like you're asking, can you reinstall the wig after you've already used it? And yes. Today I'm going to show you guys how to reinstall an old used wig. I'm going to hot comb at 500 degrees and we're just going to push the hairline back just a little bit. If you need to use a mannequin, then use a mannequin because you don't want to burn your hand in this process. Move the edges back with the hot comb so that none of those hairs are in the way when you get ready to glue it down. If the hairline is looking something like this, then you can go ahead and put the wig on. This is the fun except hard part. I like to put some makeup on the outside of the lace as well, just to make sure that it looks a little bit more blended. Add some makeup right on top of the hairline. I'm about to pull out my concealer and start tracing the lace so I know exactly where I'm going to put the glue down. Where is it? Here it is. Ah! Things are falling. Draw a line right alongside your face, right on the top and on the other side like this. I have the lace, I have the ball cap, I have the line. The glue is gonna go in between the line and the ball cap, right in this little area. This works every single time I do it, so I know it's gonna work for you too. Just little dots, nothing too thick, right in between the ball cap and the line that you created. On the side, just dot, 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 dot. Spread it like butter on your toes. My forehead is bald. If you actually have hair on your forehead, you know, good for you. Congratulations. Take this makeup off of our head. Now is the other kind of hard part. Lay down the middle first. Lay that down. Grab the sides with your finger. Taking the widow's peak off because I didn't feel like putting that back. Like, lace is laid down, the lace has been cut. Now it's time to do some melting. Now for the melting process, let's get straight into business with the makeup. You're gonna need the makeup throughout the entire install, so just keep it out. Don't even put it away. I use number 15. Dab, dab. Not too much, but just like a little, you know, a little reminder that we don't want to see the lace. Take my finger and like part a little section out, open that up, and then you want to put some makeup right in between that parted area as well. You're in good hands, and I got you covered. Go ahead and get your melt band out. With that, I spray a little bit of this on there. I like to use a little baby bottle. Where's the melt band? Where's the melt band? Take it. Easy. Whoa. There is that. We're not gonna worry about that. Make sure you open the hair and get the back. Spray a little bit of this oil in there while the hair is wet. Smells so good. The way my brush just glides through the hair like butter. What are they putting in these products? Okay, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna dry the hair.